लोग कहते हैं टाइम इज मनी। इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की दुनिया में टाइम से ही पैसा बनता है।
भारत के लोग ज्यादा कमा रहे हैं तो ज्यादा इन्वेस्ट भी कर रहे हैं। आज भारतीयों ने करीब करीब 40 लाख करोड़ रुपए म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है।
In this video, let's understand the magic of starting early. What is compounding? किसी ने कहा है compounding is the 8th wonder. Assume कर लो आपने जल्दी शुरू किया इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, so it has time to grow. The returns gets multiplied and it's a snowball effect. आपने जो इन्वेस्ट किया उस पे रिटर्न्स बना और उस रिटर्न्स पे भी रिटर्न्स बनेगा if you start early. That's nothing but compounding. Let's understand with the help of an example. There are two parents, parent A and parent B. They both are looking to invest for their child's education. Parent B started at the age of 6. By the time his child was of the age of 18, he had 30 lakhs. On the other hand, parent A started when the child was 1 year old. He invested 10,000 per month, assuming the returns of 12%. By the time the child was 18 years of age, he accumulated 62 lakh rupees of corpus. Difference 32 lakhs is the difference. They both invested in a similar manner, same amount, and got a similar kind of return. Still, there was a difference of 32 lakhs because parent A invested for a longer period and allowed the money to grow for 5 years more than parent B, which means the money compounded because of longer tenure.
जितने भी पैसे हो, अगर आप प्लान नहीं करेंगे तो फिर वो वर्क नहीं करेगा। एवरी मंथ कुछ अमाउंट निकालना अपनी सैलरी में से, अपने एजुकेशन के लिए अलग रखना, that's what I think we are trying to do.
When you invest on a regular basis, invest with a long-term vision because your money grow exponentially after a certain period of time. It doesn't grow in the next 1 year or 3 year period. So always have a long-term vision while investing. भले ही छोटा अमाउंट हो, फिर चाहे वो 2000 रुपए का ही क्यों ना हो, starting early makes the difference. What should be the process? Start an SIP irrespective of the amount. Every year, increase the amount of SIP because आपका इनकम भी बढ़ रहा है. If your income is increasing, your SIP should also increase. And automate the investments so that you do not miss any SIP. And this way, you will see that by the time you need the money, you will have the capital accumulated. With EduFund app, you can start investing with as low as 100 rupees. It's all about starting today. The best time to invest was yesterday and the next best is today. Do not delay your investments. कल का इंतजार मत कीजिए, हर दिन इंतजार करना आपको महंगा पड़ सकता है।